Hello everyone, this is Sandy. Today we will be learning the brand called TROIPEEL. TROIPEEL is a fundamental brand of MK and it has made changes of our customer because increasing sales and also experiencing tremendous before and after. So within 1 hour of our lecture, you'll be able to understand what is made of with TROIPEEL. We'll learn why TROIPEEL was born, TROIPEEL's mechanism and technical data sheets, and lastly, clinical results. So what is beautiful skin? Our customers are constantly asking what is beautiful skin. Beautiful skin should not have, obviously, acne skin, sensitive skin, nor pigmented skin or aged skin. But the customer who are coming to my spa, to our spa, they will be experiencing acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, and hyperpigmented skin, and the wrinkled skin. For myself, I have acne skin and also sensitive skin. Very often, actually all the time, customer will face more than 2 problems at the same time. Even now, I have another problem of wrinkles. Mature customer might have hyperpigmented skin with wrinkles. So, how to have a beautiful skin? We need to be free of these 4 different kinds of skincare concerns. Wherever you are, whether you are living in Korea, whether you are living in Europe or Middle East, anywhere, we need to talk about these 4 different kinds of skincare concerns. And this is where the money is. This is where the solution is. Skin is supposed to protect our body. It consists of 17% of our weight, and it protects our internal organ from external factors. It protects from heat or coldness, dust, impurities. Even it has a very good immune system. It is not supposed to absorb anything. But when we talk about beauty, we would apply cosmetics. We apply cosmetic to be more beautiful. We apply cosmetic to be more healthy. But customers who are coming to the beauty salons, they are not so satisfied with the product they are using, whether it's luxury products, road shop products, or dermacosmetic products. Rather, what they are looking for is that they want to improve the 4 different kinds of skincare concerns: acne, sensitive skin, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. Please remember that. And they want to get a treatment. This is where the TROIPEEL is coming from. TROIPEEL is not normal cosmetic. It is a treatment product. It is done by professionals, and it is going to give you very strong before and after. Laser treatment, micro-roller treatments, chemical peeling treatments, herbal peelings are one of the treatments that you can experience in the spa. These 4 treatments are very popular amongst many skin specialists or dermatologists or skin specialists too. TROIPEEL fall into the categories of herbal peeling. So what it differs from laser, micro-roller, and chemical peeling. In life, in every product, there are always pros and cons. Pros for laser treatment is very simple. And also it could be reasonable price, although the machine is very, very expensive. But cons of the laser treatment, the pain is quite painful, and it is very hard to control because we are shooting the light. We are burning the skin. Micro rollers, this is a normal roller that you will see. So it has needle in roller, and we will make a hole. It's supposed to penetrate the goods from cosmetics. It is efficient because it is actually making physical holes on your face, and it is going to absorb the ingredients. So it's quite traditional way of doing treatments, but also it is very stable treatment too. But the thing is that cone part of this treatment is a bit painful. When the needles are rolling on your face, the comfort is not so comfortable. Chemical peel is also traditional way of peeling. We use AHA and BAHA, BHA and AHA. And this acid peel supposed to melt the surface of the skin. So we apply the acid and we rest it for 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes. And we remove and we have to neutralize it because acid will burn the surface of the skin. It is very easy to use, but sometimes also it's a bit hard to control. Herbal peeling. It has been there for more than 100 years. And herbal peeling is a specific peeling. We extract the ingredient from the herbs and then we extract the small powder, herbal powder. We cannot really see the powder, but actually you can feel the powder. And we are going to use this needle to do the peeling effect. And TROIPEEL fall into the categories of herbal peeling. So why customer love TROIPEEL? First, excellent result. It gives a very sure, very strong before and after. Number 2, standard treatment, standard results. That means one day you get one treatment and the next day you can expect even better treatment every time. Better result. Simple treatment step. It does not cause any hassle for the customers. Reasonable price. Aftercare product is already in sets, so it is very easy to do aftercare. Minimizing side effect by the professionals and program differentiation, which is very different from the other kind of treatments. Aesthetic centers, they would choose TROIPEEL because excellent results, standard results, comfortable treatment, very less pain, and easy post-treatment care products, which means MK has established very good system for the customers and also for the beauty spa owners, and that is why the TROIPEEL has been loved by many. Where the word TROIPEEL comes from. So in the beginning of my training, I have told you our skin is a very strong barrier, is a protector, protecting our internal organs from external factors. Skin is not supposed to absorb things. It's very hard to penetrate. So we wanted to change the skin because we did not want to see skin problems. So we wanted to send this microneedle like Trojan horse. How Trojan horse entered the Troy wall and it changed whole of Troy. So TROIPEEL, the story comes from the Trojan horse and the fight between the Greece and the Troy, and we wanted to deliver specific ingredient beyond the walls, which is the skin. This is why it is called TROIPEEL. TROIPEEL consists of this green powder. It is 100% natural powder, and this is a herbal powder. And what it is different from the other powders? First, it is a density difference. Density and hardness has been standardized. We have done 7 times of refinement technique in order to have a fine, regular size of the needles. This means you're going to feel and you're going to get the result what you want, and you can actually sell it. And also fineness of the powder. When we talk about gold, there's a 24 carats and also there are 18 carats gold. Which kind of gold would you like? I would prefer 24K. And TROIPEEL is like that because we have done the 7 times of the refinement technology so that this powder is purely This powder is pure microherbal needles, and then you'll see microscopic level of this powder. So this is a microscopic level of the powder. As you can see, it has a needle-like shape. When you touch the powder, you cannot really see the needles, unlike micro rollers. Micro rollers, you can easily see the needles. But when you actually see and feel the powder, you cannot see the powder you cannot see the needles, but you can feel the needles. And because this needle has a very needle shape, and it will be penetrating into your pores. And within this needle, you can see there are many holes. It is a porous powder. It is going to deliver and carry ingredient to the specific level of the skin, so that we could say it is a natural delivery system. And in one pore, you would have 5 needles, which will be penetrated. And it is even smaller than the hair. So can you imagine? There will be so many needles will be acting as a stimulating agent on your skin resurfacing treatments. So this is the most fun part. When the needle, so first, before the needle, sorry. So there is epidermis and there's a dermis. When we talk about cosmetic, the ingredient could be only be penetrated into the dermis area until here. And in dermis and epidermis and dermis layer, there is a specific layer here called basal layer. This basal layer, you can see there are very specific cell called keratinocyte. Keratinocyte is also known as mother cell, or I would like to call it cell factory, because they produce cells. So this is a cell factory who produce cells. So how the TROIPEEL works. Imagine TROIPEEL has been penetrated to your skin, and your skin will be fooled by the needle because it will think something external has been penetrated into our skin. In dermis area, they're going to send more blood, and mother cell is going to use this blood as nutrients and moisture to produce new cells. That is why we call TROIPEEL is resurfacing. It is not the peeling, it is resurfacing. Peeling is removing the surface of the skin. Resurfacing, we are making new cells here, and we are bringing the new cell to the surface. This is the core fundamental of the TROIPEEL. That is why we call it resurfacing, not peeling. So also the peeling is everyone knows peeling. But if we talk about resurfacing treatment, they will say, what is resurfacing treatment? Oh, you know, peeling is removing the surface. Resurfacing is we are bringing the baby new cells from deep inside. That is why TROIPEEL has been recognized many others. You see, this kind of arrows are the basal layer, and TROIPEEL goes up to the basal layer, and then it will stimulate the skin. Our skin has a 28 days of cell turnover cycle. These 28 days, when you're a baby, you will have 28 days of new cycle. This is a mother cell, the cell factory. When the new baby born cell is born, from here to here, it will take 28 days to move upwards. And gradually, it will become dead skin, and then it will fall off naturally. So it is a very good circulation of the new cell to the dead skin. So skin you feel here is a dead skin. There are about 15 to 20 layers of the dead skin, which will be acting as a protection. And if you want to have a beautiful skin, you need to have 28 days of turnover cycle. But as we get old, what happens? our cells, our body, our metabolism will not work as much as before. So it will become 40 days and 50 days. That is why mature customer, they would have a very dull face because they would have so much of the dead skin which has been accumulated here. They have very less power to push it up. That's why you'll see really thick and very deep wrinkle, I would say that. So in order to have a good skin, we need to have 28 days of cell turnover cycle. And this is what is really, really important. And how the needle has been differentiated from the other powders. This is TROIPEEL, a lot of powder and a lot of needles you can see. And also this is other powder, other competitors. You can see they are very irregular needles and also there are impurities within the powders. So that is why you feel more pain if you use the other powder. We did an experiment on same person, one side TROIPEEL, other side other peeling. We use 0.8 grams for one side and here we use 2.5 grams for this side. As you can see the lumps and here you see no lump except of just the bare skin. So this is how pure and how density of the needle is formulated here. We do not have so much impurities in the powders. We've been showing this picture to many customers and for 10 years we did not have any problem with the competitors. I think competitors have to accept the fact that we are really different. This is picture also taken by our internal staff. She worked in the laboratory and she took a picture of the TROIPEEL. You see, it's very regular sizes and here you can see very irregular sizes and some broken and some impurities too. Technique is very different from the other herbal peelings. Other herbal peelings, the density and the purity of the needle are low, so we have to rub. Sorry here, I cannot show you this video, but on the presentation you will be able to see the difference. Here, this person would actually rub the face on a circular motion in order to make a scratch, as if she's peeling. But here, on the TROIPEEL side, we do not do any circular movement. Rather, we would like to call it fascial technique, which will be lifting up the muscle, and then we are just moving upwards, very softly. And you can see all the needle are being penetrated 100% directly to your skin. So technique differs because the powder is different, and that makes less pain for TROIPEEL and more pain for the other treatments. These are fascial treatments. We're actually pulling up the muscle part. There is a skin, there's a muscle. Between these two layers, there's a specific layer. We are going to pull this skin upwards. And you'll see the videos for that. So what consists of TROIPEEL? TROIPEEL consists of 5 powders and 5 solutions. And for the spot price, we sell it for $150 US. And it is suggested for all skin type, acne, sensitive skin, hyperpigmentation, and aged and wrinkled skin. And moreover, if you want to have a small and tight pore, this is the product that you want to use, Biotherapist. In the solution, we put gold and peptide. That is why we call it gold and 7 peptide solution. And this ampoule consists of gold and 7 peptide. We have used gold because it is a very strong antioxidant, anti-aging ingredient, but it is the best conductor as an element. So TROIPEEL is a needle type and it is going to be penetrating to the basal layer. And gold will be acting as a conductor and it will be carrying 7 different peptides in order to increase the anti-aging effect. We have acetyl hexapeptide, copper tripeptide, palmitoyl peptide, tripeptide, and palmitoyl peptide, hexapeptide, and nanopeptide. So we have put 7 different peptides, which is the most expensive ingredient, and we have used this in order to give anti-aging effect. And this is a very interesting ingredient. When the new cell is born, when the new baby cell is born from inside, you need 2 things, nutrients and water. Nutrients, we can get it from our blood because blood is full of nutrients and our mother cell is going to extract that. But we also need hydration, we need moisture. Have you ever heard about hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid could carry 100 times of molecular weight of the moisture. So that is why hyaluronic acid is used as a filler, or hyaluronic acid is used as a hydrating ingredient. But white fungus extract, this could carry more than hyaluronic acid. So TROIPEEL, when the new baby bone cell is being born, you need ingredient and you need anti-aging energy to boost, and then you need hydration in order to make it faster. So that is why it is being loved by many skin specialists and also the customers. TROIPEEL treatment process. Step 1, we have to do very good skin consultation. Number 2, we have to do very good resurfacing treatment. Number 3, aftercare. When we do the step 1, it is very important to have a very good and thorough consultation with the customer. Why? Because more we know about the guest, more we know about their skin, we can actually predict what to give to them. Often in the beauty spa, when they get stressed, when they sell too much high expectation to the customer, when this expectation is not met, that means refund or complaints. But when we have a good skin consultation, and also remind you, this is not normal hydration treatment. It is a resurfacing treatment. I can guarantee you 5 to 10 times of a hydration treatment cannot beat 1 time of TROIPEEL treatment. Why? Because it's a resurfacing treatment. And we have to move forward very carefully with the customer. We have to let them know it might feel itchiness, it might feel some stinging feeling during the one or 2 days. So this consultation process is really important. Second, resurfacing treatment. Every skin is different and we have to control how much powder do we need to use. If the customers have a very weak skin, we cannot do strong treatment because their skin is weak. But if their skin is strong enough and then they can bear the pain and also the amount of powder, they can surely do. And also last step, aftercare. Aftercare is really important because from here, you did perfect. And what happened? They go back home and they go back to the same skincare routine and they come back to you next week. Oh, Andy, my skin is ruined again. You don't know why. Because you need to really care about the aftercare. You have done everything perfect here, but if you not do the aftercare right, then customer may not be so satisfied of the results. So consultation, resurfacing treatment, and aftercare. With a TROIPEEL, you can mix with different solutions depending on the needs of customer. Original peeling, you would mix GNS ampoule. Troy choice program, you could also mix the ampoule. This is a bit more painful, but also interesting result. You can also mix accent ceramic serum, which is being used for the quick Troy peel. And also you can mix together with a full porcelain. The resurfacing treatment process. So first, this is a normal Troy peel. It has a similar step, so let's go one by one. So first, we would use aroma lymph oil to circulate our lymphatic area. Imagine when the needle has been penetrated to your skin, it is going to increase the blood circulation. And imagine if your blood could not go down as fast as all the blood rushing up, you might face a little bit swollen face. So we would use aroma lymph oil to open up the lymph area, neck, chest, décolletes, under the armpit, thigh, inner thigh, and legs. And you would use aroma lymph oil to open up. And also this is really nice way of welcoming, saying hello, welcome to my spa, and then we are going to do the treatment. Customers they have a high tendency to open heart to you. And then we would use cleanser and a toner. And second step, we would use primary mask as a AGT. When the cell is being regenerated, as I told you, we need nutrients and also for hydration. Hydration, this is the king of the hydration, queen of the hydration. So AGT Hydro Essence, we will rest it for 15 to 20 minutes and then we will allow skin to be 8 to 10 minutes, and we will allow skin to be fully absorbing the moisture. And step 3, we would use degreasing step in order to remove all the lipid layer of our skin. And fourth, we will do the TROIPEEL treatment, which is very easy and simple. Often question being asked, how often can I do normal TROIPEEL? Yes, you can do every 3 to 4 weeks one time. Every 1 month you can do one time. Because I told you it is stronger than 5 to 10 times of moisture treatments. So one time per 1 month is enough. You will have a wonderful skin. And soft treatment also, we could differentiate the powder, because if the skin cannot bear the pain or if skin is too weak for a treatment, we have to lower the powder amount. And then, because of so much heat has been created inside, not because of the surface, and we have to use the blue cocktail for mummy mask. And last step, we would use laser cream and aesthetic BB cream for regenerative cream. Laser cream will have good barrier on your skin, not to lose any kind of moisture. And also BB cream will make sure that your face will be fully covered, and it is going to protect you from the UV lights. So this is the basic steps. Aroma lymph oil, cleansing, hydration mask, degreasing, TROIPEEL, the mummy mask, and the finishing cream. This would be the normal step for TROIPEEL. Quick TROIPEEL program. As I told you, we have made this for the summer program. You could use this for the whole year. It's amazing. I really prefer quick TROIPEEL. Sometimes if I want to get really fast result, I have to go for strong TROIPEEL, but every week I would love to get that. Same procedure, aroma lymph oil to open up the lymphatic passageway. We use cleanser and a toner, primary mask, and then degreasing solution, and we would use powder and the ceramic serum. And sometimes we would use some ampoule as a service. And then we will use the porcelain for a little bit of massage. And we would use mummy mask, and we will use the laser cream and also aesthetic BBA. What is the difference between H and A? H is hydration and anti-aging. A is for acne and sensitive skin. The A is a little bit lighter. H is a little bit darker. So these are the differences. So what will happen to your face? First day of TROIPEEL, because needle has been penetrated to your skin, you might see some swelling because of the blood flow, and also you see some redness and some stinging feeling. But don't worry, this microneedle will naturally be dissolved in your skin. And second, 2 to 4 days you'll start to feel dryness because new baby bone cell is going to take away all the moistures in your skin. And from day 3 to 5, you'll see some itchiness around your cheek area, and exfoliation starts around lips and chins area. But remember, never remove the dead skin with your hands. Please soak it, let it fall naturally so that you cannot really tear apart. Because baby bone new cell needs some time in order for them to be stabilized. And please remember not to use your hands to peel it off. And 7 to 21 days, you will start to have wonderful skin. Your skin start to glow naturally, and then you'll be really, really happy. Normally 28 days, your skin will be so happy and so glowing that I normally say that you cannot really see your skin without sunglasses because your skin is so stunning and so bright. Ha ha ha. And then, let's go. We have a 2 amazing kits for home care. One, H, Recovery H and Recovery A. H is hydration and anti-aging, and A is acne and sensitive skin. What I want you to do is that I want you to sell the recovery together with the treatment package, because this way the customer could take this home and use it together in order to give the best result. Also for Recovery A too. We will talk about individual product in the next video, but it is important for you to make a package. It is very difficult to sell treatment and a product, but if you make it into one program, 3 times or 5 times of package and 1 kit of product is that much. It will be easy for them to purchase that package. And also these are the home care products that you need to use regularly. Accent Recovery for recovering your skin, strengthening the veins, and also for the sensitive skin. Laser cream, very important for the dry skin. We do not want to lose more moisture, so it will create natural barrier. And third is aesthetic BB cream, HNA, very good for makeup, but this is not makeup, this is a skincare makeup. And fourth is the skincare BB cream. We have 2 type of the cushions, makeup cushions. We would like to call it skincare makeup. And with this, you will have a perfect protection of the home care. Recovery is a normal skincare routine. And home care product, these are the products that you need to use regularly. And I can guarantee you, customer will come back to you and say, I want to buy that bigger one. I want to buy that one. So it's a very natural process that we see. So we are going to talk about the clinical result. In order to have a beautiful skin, you need to overcome these 4 different kinds of skin problems. Wrinkle skin, hyperpigmented skin, acne skin, and sensitive skin. And to have a good skin, to have a perfect skin, you cannot only get 1 or 2 treatments and say, I have perfect skin. It is like exercise. If you want to go on a diet, you need to exercise every day or every week for a long time. It's a lifetime homework. Also, to have a good skin, it is important to understand where the problem is coming from, and we need to get the regular treatment. But good thing about TROIPEEL, it is not costly. Why? Because you can get only one time per treatment per month. That's it. If you want to come more, that's fine, but already it is giving you a great choice. So let's see the clinical result, what has happened to the people. TROIPEEL 2-time, 1 and 2, you can see redness has disappeared and natural glow on the face. Very big difference. And this is a 1-time of the treatment. You can see the skin is changing from here, here, and here. And you can see there are less blackheads. Skin tone has changed a lot. So you can see that. This is year 2017 and this is year 2020. This is very severe customer with acne. And she has been regularly getting a treatment, and you see, she has no sign of acne at all. So that means it's a lifetime homework for all of us. And also this is a quick Troy with the Accent AC kit. It has a very strong before and after. We are very confident to give before and after, also for the body, before and after. When you're wearing swimming suits, it's very important to have very nice and clean body. Nose, big pores, congestion of sebums, and serious acne has really decreased a lot. Now, I feel very happy for this customer. And also, you can see it is not peeling, it is resurfacing. You see all the lumps, or not lumps, all the holes and scars has been really filled up here. Do you see that? This is resurfacing treatment, not peeling. We are not peeling anything off. Also look at here. This would be a gentleman who has been working outside a lot, and you can see how skin has changed from here to here. So we have came to the end of the presentation today. One of the pride that we feel when we work with TROIPEEL is that we are changing the people's life to give them better skin, healthier skin, more beautiful skin, so that they can be more of themselves. And this is where we feel the most happiness and pride in working with these products. And we hope that our product TROIPEEL could help you and your partners and your customer to change and to live another life, because skin is the best dress that you could wear. And thank you very much for listening to this workshop and this lecture. And next video will be prepared for you with more interesting knowledge. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.